Already got a new piece of gear in. Actually, I've had this piece for a little while, and I hadn't really got a chance to try it out much yet. But I thought I'd show it to you. And basically what this is the BCB Crusader Cookset. And this is the British Army's version of our U.S. military's version of the Canteen Cup and Canteen. And I kind of like this setup better. This is a pretty cool setup. And what it comes with when you get the whole cook set is you get the 1 quart water bottle, and this is the Osprey model. So it shows that it's genuine. You get the cooker, stainless steel cup, plastic mug, and you also get a little metal hanger that clips onto the stainless steel cup here, like if you want to hang it over the fire. But that's not, it's kind of flimsy and I don't like it very well, so I'll think of something else if I want to hang it over the fire. But what I really liked about this kit is, you know, with the standard U.S. Army stuff, you have, you know, your canteen and you have your stainless steel canteen cup. Well, a lot of times what I find is maybe I want some coffee or some Kool-Aid, hot chocolate or whatnot. So I'm always finding, and I still need to cook. So what I've found is, you know, once you start cooking in here, well, if this is the only pot you have, you don't have any way to heat up your coffee now because you've already cooked in here. So you either have to, you know, finish eating what you've cooked in here and clean it out and then, you know, make your drink or whatever. But I like to have drinks with my meal. Especially if it's winter time, I want some coffee or something with my meal, hot chocolate or whatnot. So what I liked about this, like I said, is, you know, you can heat up your water in here for your drink, put it in your cup, and then you can cook in your cup or whatever you need else to do in your cup, but you still have another cup. And that was really cool. And the good thing is, what this does is the plastic mug just nests on top. And then you got your stainless steel cup that goes on the bottom, and then to store it, it all kind of nests together, which is really cool. And I like that a lot. Now, just the cup, the stainless steel cup and the water bottle will fit in the standard U.S. military canteen pouch. That will fit in just a standard pouch, just this setup here. Now, if you wanted to put your whole setup in a pouch, BCB offers I think it's called their Zulu pouch or something like that, and it's a big pouch that all this fits in. But what I found is the new models of the U.S. military canteen pouches, these are great, and I like them because they have 2 pockets and they're bigger. And if you want to use them as just a general purpose pouch, it flaps over as well. But anyway, all this will fit inside of this pouch. The downfall to that, there again, is if you've got your cup on and you want to drink out of your canteen, well, you have to take your cup off, and then you can pull your canteen out and drink out of it. But not a really big deal. I mean, if you're going to be using this as your primary water bottle as well, maybe if you have a pack or something, maybe just throw the cup in the pack if you want to do that, or you don't have to carry it at all. But I got it to carry everything together, so everything fits in one of these pouches. And I also got some of these green heat gels, and this is just like an alcohol based gel, and all it is a charcoal for your charcoal grill, charcoal fire starter. And I know there's some different stuff out there, but I bought these when I bought all this together. But I'm going to do some boil tests with this and see which kind of works better, this stuff or just regular denatured alcohol or heat, and see kind of, you could also use Esbit with this as well, and see which works better and what I'm going to put in my kit. So I'll get back to you in here in just a few minutes, and we'll do some boil test, and we'll be right back. Alright, let's do some boil test. Another thing I forgot to tell you, when you get the whole kit, is it also comes with a lid, too, a little plastic BCB lid, and that obviously is in the house, and I don't have it. So, but it also comes with a lid too. And what another thing I like about this stainless steel cup is it's got measurements on it. for a 1/4 cup and then a 1/2 cup. And I've got a 1/2 cup of water in here. And let's do a test here and see. We're going to use the green heat gel, and we'll see how long it takes to boil. And all this is you can see this stuff here. It's just a gel stuff here. And we'll get my stopwatch ready. We'll light this stuff up here, and it's lit. Put my cup on there and start the timer, and we'll see how long it takes. We'll be back with you in just a few minutes. Alright, we're at 10 minutes 45 seconds, and I had some bubbling at the bottom down there, and that started actually about 6.5 minutes or so, but the green heat gel has went out. I don't know if you can tell down there, it's went out. So we're going to kind of call this well, I won't call it incomplete, because this is a 1/2 canteen cup of water. So if I was boiling a 1/4 cup or just like 1 cup of water, it probably would have started a rolling boil. But this is a 1/2 canteen cup, so there's probably 2.5 cups of water, maybe 3 cups of water in there. So I'll give it the benefit of the doubt and say that these green heat gels run for about 10 minutes is all you're going to get out of them, and you'll get a boil out of it. So put in some heat or alcohol, denatured alcohol, and see how that goes. I'll be right back. Alright, got about 1 ounce of denatured alcohol in the bottom. We'll start the timer. If you can see down there, it's running. And same amount in there, half a canteen cup full. So I'll come back with you in a few minutes when we get a boil. Stick with me. We are, what are we at? 4 minutes and 23 seconds, and we got a boil happening. I'll tell you, this alcohol, you can see it kind of lipping up over the sides there. It's doing pretty good, and we got a boil. And it looks like it's gonna go ahead and come up to a rolling boil here in just a second. And it's still going pretty strong. So I'll come back with you in just a minute when it's at a rolling boil. I'm going to call that a rolling boil. And we're at 5 minutes 40 seconds. 1/2 cup of there you go, 1/2 cup of water in the canteen cup with a little less than 1 ounce of denatured alcohol. So I think I'm going to be using the denatured alcohol instead of those green heat gels. They'd be good for, like I said, probably a little bit less water or something. Those little gel packets would be good. But I think I'm going to use alcohol. And I'll try an Esbit also. Esbit, you know, it'd probably take about the same as the green heat, probably about 12-13 minutes or so. But the alcohol is almost out. And you see it's almost out, and we got a boil. So y'all take care. I'll be back in just a few minutes. Alright, let's try it with some Esbit here. I'm use one of these REI stormproof matches to light my Esbit. Alright, just leave it sitting in there. Put it on there. We'll start the clock. Be back with you when we get a boil. Stay tuned. 6 minutes 42 seconds, and we're getting some bubbles. And we still got about 1/4 of the Esbit left. So we'll come back when we get a good boil. Be right back. 8 minutes 10 seconds, and we got a good boil going on there. So I think for me, it's either going to be the Esbit or the alcohol. And see down there, the Esbit's still burning. It probably got another couple of minutes to go. So I'll probably, like I said, probably either use the Esbit or the alcohol, and I'll just keep the green heat gel also, just for backup or whatever. You can also start fire with them, just like you can with the Esbit or whatever. So it's been, some quick little boil test and an overview of the equipment. I'll put it all back together and show you what it looks like in the U.S. military, the new canteen pouch, here in just a second. Y'all stay with me, be right back. Well, here's the complete kit in the, like I said, the new Army canteen pouch. And I'll tell you a little bit what I got in. That's everything, and there it is next to the regular U.S. military version. Now, what I have in here is, over here I have a complete MRE accessory package that come out of the MREs, with the coffee, the tea, salt and pepper and all that stuff in there. One of those, plus 4 bouillon cubes, 2 chicken, 2 beef, and 4 the Katahdin purification tablets. And then over here on this side, I have 4 Esbit tablets, 3 of the green heat gels, and some Strike Anywhere matches in there. So this whole kit, just like it is right now, as you see it, with water, weighs 4 pounds 12 ounces. Now you might be thinking that's a lot, but the water alone weighs 2 pounds 15 ounces. So almost 3 pounds just for the water alone. So complete kit. You could call out a meal kit if you want. The only thing I'm missing is basically a spoon. So, and you can take, there again, if you want to take the cup off and put the cup like in your pack or something, take it off, and you can strap it down, like I said, there next to the U.S. military version. So I like this version. You got more options with it, I think. So there it is, BCB Crusader Cookset, and a couple little boil tests for you. That's it for right now. I'll catch you on another video, and until next time, y'all take care, and we'll see you later.